Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is blue color, red color, parrot color, orange color, sky blue color, green color, purple color, and the last one is pink color. Now it's time to color a chocolate. How many chocolates can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 chocolates.